In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable remote control on Zoom. If you've ever needed a colleague to click through your slides, help troubleshoot an app, or demonstrate a workflow directly on your screen, enabling remote control makes that seamless. I'll walk you through the exact setting to turn it on, along with a few tips to keep things smooth and secure. First, with your Zoom desktop app open and your meeting running, look along the bottom toolbar for the green Share Screen button. Right beside it, you'll see a small upward-facing arrow. This little arrow opens the sharing options that most people overlook, and that's where the control we need lives. Click that arrow to reveal the menu of sharing preferences. From that menu, choose Share Settings. This opens a window with controls that affect how content is shared in your meeting. It's the place where you define who can share, how sharing behaves, and, importantly for today, how remote control works once you start sharing. Inside this settings window, scroll down until you see an Advanced section. Click Advanced to expand it. Zoom tucks some powerful options here so the main panel stays uncluttered, which is why it's easy to miss. Expanding Advanced gives you finer-grained control over your sharing experience. Now locate the option labeled Enable Remote Control in all applications, and turn it on. This toggle ensures that when you share your screen, Zoom can pass keyboard and mouse input to the person you authorize, not just for a single app, but across whatever you're sharing. Think of it as giving trusted helpers the ability to interact with your screen exactly as if they were sitting at your computer, but only when you allow it. A couple of quick tips before you use it. Only enable and grant control to people you trust. And remember, you can revoke control at any time during a share. If you're on macOS or Windows, your system may briefly prompt you to allow screen control or accessibility permissions. Follow the on-screen prompts so Zoom can manage input correctly. If you don't see the setting, make sure you're on the latest Zoom desktop client, and check that you're the host or co-host, since sharing controls may be limited by role. Once this setting is on, start your screen share as usual. When you're ready, you can grant control from the in-meeting toolbar while sharing, and you'll see the other person's cursor appear. When you're finished, simply stop their control or end sharing to return to normal. That's it. Remote control is now enabled and ready for your next collaboration.